To prepare the cabbage for the chicken salad, first we will cut the cabbage into chunks in quarters, and then we will start julienne them into very fine strips, kind of like the same strips you use for coleslaw. For the red onion, we'll cut off the head and the tip. Remove the outer skin. Then we will cut the green onion in very thin slices. For the carrot, we will cut off the head and the tip again. Peel the carrot, and then we'll cut them first into 2-inch in length, and then cut each chunk into thin slices. Then we can julienne each slice into fine strips like the one used for coleslaw.